brings the blood flow to the area. So it kind of warms it up after a few minutes, and it gives you a nice sensation where it just relaxes the muscles and everything.
Ooh.
So again, what you do is you just get a traction, take a deep breath through your nose, let it all the way out. There we go. One more here today. There. Okay. Now coming from, but you can still get decompression with just the weight of the body holding it down if you get a good firm pull on.
Do an adjustment seat here. Sit back and relax nicely. There. And come back a little bit. There. Just going to adjust it. And yeah, we are seeing some improvement, I think.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. And bring forward a little bit. Very nice. Lie on your.
Pretty decent. Pretty decent. No traction. Oh.
Okay. Shh. Okay, I think we're charged.
Okay. You're going to put your two hands, make some fists, up, midway up your back. Just crack any part you want.
はい、下ろしてぐーっと下ろして OK よし OK いいなもう少し OK この接触している人差し指が目のところに反対側にこういうような要領になります実際に矯正してみましょうこういうような要領です素早く
Motherfucker, Harlem's what I'm reppin'. Tell 'em quit the dip, then we gon' make it in a second. I be that pretty motherfucker, Harlem's what I'm reppin'. Tell 'em quit the dip, then we gon' make it in a second.